Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. It was on Kohl's, KSS, had earnings this morning, and they were up about 20% just before opening. And then here it is at opening. Look at it. It runs up. It ran up 5% right in the first couple of minutes of the market, now up 25% on the day. And then it proceeded to pull right back to where it opened. It dropped another 5%. Right back to that level here at around what level is this? 1585. So it was low basing there, and then it dropped again. So it was now low basing again. So I'm thinking it might be doing what we call a gap fill. Something that pops up like that. They tend to want to fill the gap for a while. So I would set up a short ready to go that if it broke that area, I was going to get in short. Let's see what happened next. And bam, bam, bam. There it goes. It dropped down. Right here, I had a 1% attached stop, and I got in at, by the way, 1566. I'm short. My stop is at 1% at 1581. And it's down here sitting there for like 4 minutes here. So I'm like, okay, cool. I may want to start to reduce my risk here, but I'm going to hold on to it for just a moment here. In the next candle, it popped up here and then was pulling back. So I decided to reduce my risk here. And I pulled my stop down here to 1974, and we'll see. By the way, now the markets had been falling. Now they were starting to reverse in the overall markets. And let's see. Oh, there it is. It popped up, stopped me out there at 1575 from minus 0.6% in 5 minutes. Well, now this is what we call a successful trade because I followed my rules going in and I followed my rules going out as far as managing my stop. Just was not a profitable trade. And let's see what happened after that. Then it took off. Glad I was out of my short. And then now at the time of this recording here, just before 1 o'clock, it has fallen way below that area from before. It has a new low a day here. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, if you want to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com, and go to the mentoring site, and you can read all about what our mentoring is about. We start with a 3-day intensive training of education, and then we are your mentor from that point on. That's right, no extra charge. And you can come back and take that intense training as many times as you like. And we're going to have another session coming up here at the third week of September. So if you want to at least have a discussion about it, go ahead and look at that site. That's groktrade.com, at the mentoring site, and you can read all about it there. Hey, just remember, errors that violate your trading rules make it impossible for us to evaluate your trading system. Trade well, and may your winners run.